Hello YouTube, welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to be looking at how we can create a calculator or how we can use our Microsoft Excel as a calculator in 2023. Now, as you all know that Microsoft Excel is a very widely used application in offices and in other corporate businesses. So the purpose and reason for that is because of its insane ability to solve mathematical equations and data within minutes and without doing any type of calculation. So now the question is, can we use it as our daily life calculator? The answer is yes, but all you have to do is just open your Microsoft Excel here, and you can do it two ways. Now we know that a calculator performs 4 types of operations and on 2 parameters. So you can either just pick a block, and if you have 2 parameters, you're gonna put equals to. Let's say I want to add 5, 7 this number with, or maybe divide this number with this number. I'm gonna just hit enter and I'm gonna get my result just like that. You can do many more other stuff here, like I wanna do this number to be added to this number. I'm gonna hit enter and there you go, the result is right here. Now you can either do it this way, or you can just create 2 parameters and you can keep changing it and you will get the result for addition, multiplication, and subtraction and division. So it's also pretty simple. I'm gonna create 4 boxes here, one for addition, one for subtraction, one for division, one for multiplication. Now, whatever data I put in this column and this column, I want it to be added, multiplied, subtracted, and divided. First and second. So how are we gonna achieve that? I'm gonna go on this box under the addition column. I'm going to go to the formula bar. I'm going to type in there equals A5, because this is the column that we want to add into B5. There you go. If I hit enter, it's going to give me 0 because there are no numbers here. But it's okay. I'm going to come to the subtraction box. I'm going to do the same. A5. But this time I'm gonna put minus B5. I'm gonna go to the division. I'm gonna put in there equals A5 divided by B5. I'm gonna go to multiplication. I'm gonna go equals A5 multiplied by B5. There you go. You have successfully created your automatic calculator here. If I put 4 here and I put 2 here, there you go. If I add 4 and 2, it's gonna give me 6. If I divide 4 by 2, it's gonna give me 2. If I 2 here, and if I subtract 2 from 4, it's gonna give me 2. And if I multiply both numbers, it's gonna give me 8. So this is how you can create your own custom calculator in Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching. Make sure you do like and subscribe and turn on the notifications.